The Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Brigadier B.D. Mishra, has taken strong notice of delays in BSNL's 4G saturation project in the Union Territory. During a meeting today, the LG directed BSNL and contractors to expedite work before the end of the working season, particularly in Ladakh's forward areas where connectivity remains a critical issue. He also called for a detailed report on the delays for submission to the Ministry of Telecommunication. In another important development, the LG chaired the first meeting of the UT Ladakh Sports Council discussing major proposals to enhance sports infrastructure and management. In a landmark development for Ladakh, the University of Ladakh is set to open the region's first ever drone training and pilot licensing center. Spearheaded by Vice Chancellor Professor S.K. Mehta, this initiative aims to provide cutting edge skills in drone technology to students, military personnel, and the general public. During a recent visit by drone experts from Anna University, led by Professor Senthil Kumar and Wing Commander K.R. Srikant, the university's Leh campus was assessed as an ideal location for the program. Training is expected to begin within 2 months, marking a major step forward in drone education and innovation for the region. In a bid to boost tourism and outdoor adventure in Ladakh, Lieutenant Governor Brigadier B.D. Mishra chaired a crucial meeting on the Ladakh Mountaineering Policy 2024. The policy, inspired by Sikkim's model, aims to enhance sporting mountaineering activities while benefiting local communities and safeguarding the environment. Key discussions included the registration and renewal guidelines for adventure tour operators, safety measures, and ensuring qualified guides. Secretary of Tourism Vikram Singh Malik outlined the vision and objectives, emphasizing skill development for Ladakhi guides and environmental preservation. The LG also stressed the need for stringent safety protocols and regular oversight, suggesting reducing the registration validity to ensure high operational standards. Professor Dr. S.K. Mehta, Vice Chancellor of the University of Ladakh, has been ranked among the top 0.05% of scholars worldwide. This prestigious recognition comes from California-based Scholar GPS, which uses advanced data science techniques to evaluate over 30 million scholars globally. Professor Mehta has been acknowledged for his exceptional scholarly contributions, adding to his numerous accolades, including being listed among the top 2% of the scientists worldwide by Stanford University for the fourth consecutive year. With expertise in colloidal chemistry and nanotechnology, Professor Mehta's impactful research has also earned him a fellowship with the Royal Society of Chemistry in the UK. The Ladakh Medical Association has raised concerns over the prolonged delay in establishing Ladakh's first medical college and the slow pace of Public Service Commission recruitments. The association's leadership, including President Dr. Mehdi Ali Khan and Vice Presidents Dr. Nawang Stenzing and Dr. Imran Ali Khan, met with Ladakh MP Haji Hanifa Jan in New Delhi to discuss these issues. They urged the MP to highlight these matters in the upcoming legislative session. The delegation also brought attention to challenges faced by Ladakhi medical students, including unequal postgraduate seat allocations and residency program restrictions. The MP assured them that these issues are being addressed with government authorities. At the Arogya Bharti conference in Gwalior, Dr. Padma Gurmeet, director of the National Institute of Sova Rigpa, highlighted the importance of the traditional Tibetan medicine system Sova Rigpa. Addressing national leaders and health experts, Dr. Gurmeet emphasized its critical role in promoting public health, particularly in the Himalayan regions. The conference, chaired by Madhya Pradesh Assembly Speaker Narendra Singh Tomar, also saw the participation of Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav. Dr. Gurmeet urged the integration of Sova Rigpa into Arogya Bharti's national programs and proposed establishing a new Arogya Bharti wing in Ladakh to enhance wellness services.